Hi there, Lindsay here, the Frugal Crafter. Today we are going to unbox a present. This was sent to me from Arteza. They sent me a gift for Christmas, and I'm really curious as to what is in here. I've been working with their products for a couple of years. They sponsored some videos a couple of years ago, and then recently I've just been reviewing different products because you guys have been asking for certain things to be reviewed. We have a nice relationship, and they sent me a present, so I'm kind of excited to see what it is. It came in the mail yesterday during a snow day, and it took all of my my resolve not to tear into it. So what do you say we take a look? Now I took my shipping label off and I cut the tape around the edges so I could just lift this off. So I'm really excited. I don't know what you're probably not as excited because you're like, what do I care? I'm really excited. So let's see what we have here. Oh, we get a Happy Holidays card. Happy Holidays, love Arteza. Oh, that's cute. Pretty tissue, which I will recycle. I will actually not recycle, I'll reuse it. I'll use it when I wrap presents because I like to do that. I hate just to throw stuff away. And I don't know if should I take this out or should I pull things out one at a time? Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm just gonna reach in here and see what I find. Okay, what is this? Oh, cool. Oh my gosh, I wanted these. Oh, that's excited. I have some of their bigger watercolor books. I really like these. If you like the Stillman and Burn watercolor sketchbooks, like the beta series, I should say the beta series mixed media book. I haven't used all their books. That's what I have in a couple sizes, and it's my travel book, and I really like it. I've had it, actually, this is one right here, one of my little travel books. I really like this paper, and I was very pleased to see that the paper in this reminds me of it an awful lot. It is a wood pulp paper. At least I'm assuming these 8x8s or these 5.5 by 5.5 are the same. Oh yeah, it does feel like the same paper is in the larger books. I really like these. I have them as travel books in my car, along with the Stillman and Burn, which I'm using up. These are really nice. Oh, these are 3 packs in these smaller sizes. This would be really nice if you had some artist friends, or maybe you had a couple kids and you wanted to make like a little stocking stuffers, or you wanted to do a gift basket, and you could do one of these books and you could even get the 2 watercolors. You could make yourself, like, make a little travel palette. That'd be a great way to make a really custom gift that was really thoughtful. Buy some empty tins and just fill them with watercolors. Give a little watercolor book. And these are, I don't know the exact price of these, but all of their watercolor sketchbooks have been very affordable. I like those. I don't like the spiral bound one. I tried that one. I like that one for stamping on the back side because it works really well with the real brush pens on the back side and rubber stamps. But for painting, I like the cloth watercolor sketchbooks a lot. This is, oh, how neat. This is the Everblend markers. I have some of the different, the multi-pack sets. Their skin tone set is really nice, and so is the gray tone set. They're all really nice. They also sell them in packs of 4 if you just want a single color, which I guess would be really handy for teachers. I wish they sold individual markers, and I've mentioned that to them, so hopefully that will happen. But all those are cute. This is color Fuchsia. That's neat. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh, cool. These are their real brush pens. This is 4 of their fresh green color. That's how they sell their replacements. They sell them in 4 packs. I guess you figure if you're using one, then you probably would use the color up a bunch of different times. So that's kind of cool. What do we have here? Oh, this makes sense now. Red and green for Christmas. That makes total sense why they're sending a red and green. Tomato red and fresh green. That would be really fun to do crafts with the kids with. Use these real brush pens. Oh, that's so fun. I actually just did a watercolor tutorial where I was doing a topiary, and all I just used was red and green paint. This would work really good for that. That might have to be something I need to do at the library with some kids. That would be really cute. Okay, try not to peek. What do we have here? I have no idea what this is. It's heavy. Oh, I think I know what it is. Actually, I think I know. Yes, acrylic paint, I think. These are neat. These are like the Sennelier abstract acrylics. And the neat thing about that is if you have the little squeezy tops that go to the abstract acrylics, they fit these. So I had run out of fabric paint, and I needed to draw something, and I just put a tip on one of the bags because I have some of the, I don't have those colors though. These must be new. Oh, that's cool. and I was able to draw with that. So the Sennelier tips for their abstract acrylics will work with the Arteza acrylic. This stuff's great. I used some of this for some furniture last year that I was making for my girls. I was redoing some benches. You can find that tutorial on my YouTube channel, and I used their paint. Worked excellent. All right, what else? What else? What else? What else? Oh, cool! Scratch pads. Oh my gosh, I loved these when I was a kid. They're like the, you do a scraper, like scraper board, so you can like scratch out designs and stuff like that. Oh, that's so fun. My daughter Lila loves these. Oh my gosh. I used to buy like the little ornaments, and they would just be like shapes, and you'd scratch a design, and you could hang them on the Christmas tree. My daughter Lila would love that. Oh, so fun. Scratch board. I think every kid loves scratch board. That is so fun. That's gonna be fun to play with. Okay, all right, not peeking. I'm just gonna reach and see what I find. Oh, neat. Oh, that's cool. Fairy dust and moonstone glitter. Oh, yeah, I love to add a little bit of glitter on my projects. I'm not sure if this is biodegradable, holographic, chunky glitter. I think, and I still use traditional glitter. I did get some biodegradable glitter recently. I didn't find it to shine quite as much, but I haven't really done, I got to do a side-by-side comparison. But I think the big glitter environmental problem is more glitter in health and beauty products, because they're just washed down the drain when people take a shower. I think glitter on cards, because if you're a crafter, you pour some glitter on your project and you dump it back in the jar, and it's glued to your project, or it's in the jar. It's not floating around like it would be if it was like a body spray or a body cream or something. So I don't think this is bad in crafting, because we glue it down to our projects. Well, that's really pretty. It's got some really big chunks in there. That's going to be nice in shaker cards, I think. Very, very pretty. Ooh, I like that. Very nice. Oh, I should put it back in the box. And I keep my glitter all together in a drawer, in a shallow drawer, and I flip them over so I can see the bottoms. And that's how I can tell what glitter I need at a glance. So, I mean, if you're, I don't know. Ooh, what's this? Oh, cute. Oh, the little half pan set I have their 36 set of half pan watercolors. This is their 12 set with a little water brush. That's adorable. Oh, that's so cute. Their watercolors do work well in their watercolor sketchbooks. They're student grade. The premium line is more of a student grade. Their expert line is a professional grade. They don't have an expert line of watercolors. They only have them in the premium, so it's like a student grade paint. Oh, that's really cute. It's a little metal tin in there. Oh, that's so sweet. Let's see, what is this? Oh, cool, metallic gouache color. So this is an opaque watercolor. And so like if you could paint this on black paper and it would show up. So it looks like little tubes of like mica. It's like a opaque watercolor with mica in it, metallic gouache. So that's kind of fun. That's fun. I actually have some of their metallic gouache. This packaging is new though. That's really cute. I think they probably come up with these easier to wrap packages too around this time of year. All right. Oh, that was so fun. Oh my gosh, there's still more. This is a pre-color. This is Sky Blue Everblend marker. Oh, isn't that cute? That's neat because I like to do retro Christmas, and I'll do like the pinks and the turquoises, and then I've got the red and green. I think they watch my videos and they see that I do those colors a lot when I'm doing Christmas projects. Thank you so much, Arteza. That is so sweet. I absolutely love this stuff. I'm actually familiar with most of it because I'm a fan, and oh, that was just a lot of fun. Thank you so much for sending it. Thank you for watching this, guys, and sharing this with me, because it was fun to. It's always fun to see. You know, it's always fun to get a surprise. And those are neat. Those must be new colors because I don't have those. And I do have the 14 set of their. Well, it was when they first came out last Christmas time. I was doing a lot of Christmas crafting with these big packets of colors. So that's neat. Very pretty colors. So this is fun. Okay, thank you guys so much for unboxing with me. I feel like such a YouTuber now. I've unboxed something. That's it for today. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Until next time, happy crafting!